Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. So on the Link chart, we still have not been able to break above that $27.56 level, which is the next upside Fibonacci retracement extension, and we are, however, holding above that critical $16.50 level. Here, the 50% retracement of the last rally, and that means the overall uptrend stays intact. We recently broke above the March high. The price is still at the moment above that level. Briefly, broke above, moved down again, and we're now back above it. And it might be another attempt to attack that $27.56 level, which is our next resistance. Above that level, we've got $38.40 in wave 3. Right, and these are the next levels anyway, 27.56 and then 38.40. And as this structure progresses, provided support holds, always provided that support holds, as this structure progresses, the $100 level seems to be a reasonable target for that white fifth wave up there. Could always go higher, but this would definitely be a milestone target for that fifth wave. For the third wave, $69, I'd say at least. Always provided support holds and always provided that the market is following this roadmap. That's why we're tracking it so closely, because it's an altcoin and it can change its mind quite quickly. Looking at the smaller time frame, this is still a corrective pullback. That we see this still as a corrective pullback. We had a couple of wicks below the 50% retracement there. That's not great, but also not a sustained break below support. So for me, the main question at the moment is whether this here was this smallest wave 4 basically of this structure. Yeah? Wave 4 of the larger third wave, then we get another 4, then another 5 of circle 3, then another 4, not on this chart here, 5. So or is this already the larger third here? It was a bit unclear. Also not so important because, as I mentioned, the main support is 1650. Everything above is literally just noise. There are some micro support levels. Yep, they were broken briefly during that liquidation event that we had, but now we already see a bit of a recovery. Is the recovery strong enough? At the moment, it's in 3 waves. I see 2 pathways here. The first one is direct higher in wave 3 above that next high at 2780. Yeah, maybe it will stretch to the next fib level at 38, but that would be quite extended for a fifth wave. And then the wave 4, when we go higher, this support area, however, will have to be adjusted higher, and then from there we form the fifth wave. This is scenario 1. You could say this is the direct bullish pathway with a delayed wave 4. Or we're doing this. This was only the first part of the larger wave 4 correction, and it's now doing a counter trend move, a bounce, that cat bounce, and then is rolling over, and then we should find support there between 1650 and 1850 pretty much. Yeah. So these are the 2 pathways. They are both bullish at the moment. Obviously the key pivot between bullish and bearish momentum is 1650. I find that quite straightforward. It's quite simple. No need to overcomplicate it. It's not up or down. No. Well, anything can go up or down, right? That's what markets do. But this is at the moment, yeah, very clearly 2 pathways. 1650 is the pivot. And these are the 2 pathways that I'm observing, which means for the one where we're rolling over before we go higher, this is now the location, right? I'm gonna remove this micro support area. It really has no purpose anymore because it broke briefly and the market has respected it here, yeah, but not during this decline. Now it's broken. But I also remove it in order to be able to add resistance, because based on this structure, the standard Fibonacci resistance for a B wave is here. I want to include the 88.7 fib level. So, and I will remove the 50%. We don't need that. That would be standard resistance between $23.99 and $26. This is resistance, micro resistance, and here we could be rolling over, and could say, okay, maybe this was the A wave, this is the B wave, and we do this. And I'm gonna highlight that in blue, right? 2 pathways, all right? So there's just not enough structure to say which one it is. This is the pivot, $26. Any break above it would already shift probabilities further towards the more direct move higher. Yeah, and I don't think there is much more to say at the moment. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. As a channel member, you get access to additional videos. So there are some additional member videos as a thank you today. Updated CRV, Cody, Litecoin, eGold, Moonwell for members. And you also get access to our Sunday member live stream. If you are a gold member, you also get access to Discord, where you can actually vote for certain coins to be analyzed. You can participate in the chat rooms. There are Tradingview live chart links, signals, updates, whatever, lots of stuff. So check it out if you're interested in this video on our channel page. It explains everything. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.